gonna try to do some painting here. Hold on. We're gonna try to do some painting here and film it. I never get this thing right. There we go. Paint the bathroom. Almost done. Oh, a little bit late there, kid. Oh, hush. Fucking whore. Oh, I bet. Steal all my shit and buy meth. Damn bitch. How about those chains of love, boy? Check it out. I'm waking the lion tonight. I make a lot of noise when I paint because I'm fat. If anybody had any questions. I need 2 coats. I'm almost friggin' positive. But I'm such a good, fast painter that I'll be out of here in no time. Because I'm awesome like that. Awesome is awesome does. You can see it. Carry on, my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. You're too crazy for television, so we had to put you on the internet. Alright. Check this out. This is what you call a double rollback. Or a bubble dole rack. That's some badass shit. Wish you could see it. All right. This is about as fun as it gets right here. Painting 101. Just don't leave any runs. Get all the ropes out. See? It's easy. I could train a baboon to do it. Get it all in the crack real good. Roll it back out. Oh yeah. Look, Ma, no brains. Got it. They call me the pissed off painter. Name fits. I'm pretty furious about the way we're being treated in this country. Like a bunch of damn monkeys. While them some bitches are red carpeting and screwing children, we gotta go to work every day. For beans, squat shit. $20 to make 10. You assholes. But who am I to complain? They just put $1 billion in my account. Make sure I'm not lying. Check it out. Even double coated it. Make sure that whore don't bleed through. I have to go up and hit that again. Streak it a little bit. You get the picture.